Alright. Time to try and get the last Jiggy. Again.
Which one is it again?
Canary
Racing that
Fuckface.
Oh, I remember.
Canary Mary.
And you were close to winning.
I'm
and
sorry,
then
I believe her name is Canary Fuckface.
Okay.
Remember that time you almost beat her and then you didn't?
Yes, I do. The sad thing is... the other day, I was playing a different game that had a mash the button thing, and I was actually getting my finger to get into a good rut of vibration, and was like, man, why couldn't I do this when I was facing Canary Mary? Why can't I do this right now, also? Canary Mary, I will break off your beak and stuff it back in the same spot that it was, except backwards. I'm going to keep up this theme of saying something nasty about her every single time I lose, just in case anybody's wondering. So, also, in case anybody's wondering, I will try this until 11.
Wow.
If I can't get this in a half an hour, then I'm not getting this today. Or at least not right now.
You probably don't need this, do you?
Realistically speaking, no.
It's a matter of pride, Tim.
I can understand that. Go, Ben. Go, do it.
And what I'm looking at right now, you're doing really well.
You guys are just fucking brilliant at jinxing me. You know that, right? Oh my
Rubber
god.
man.
I didn't even get to finish. Oh, I lost the hand
Oh, you lost
vibrating
by a
thingy.
lot.
Well, yeah, that would be the whole not get... Camera, what are you even doing? Also, Canary Mary, I will break off your wings and put them on your head as a headdress.
That'd be unique.
Yes, unique is the exact word I was thinking of.
I was thinking of Banana Republic.
What? I mean, what's the point of having wings in your head?
They serve as headrests.
Headrests? I don't think that's the word you mean. Yeah, that was really bad. That was really bad. Canary Mary, I will take an iron to your hair because it's actually really bothering me how spiky it is.
Those are feathers. She's a bird.
She's not a bird. She's a human cosplaying as a bird.
It's even worse.
How she can fly, I don't know, but she is not a bird.
Daycare worker convicted of running baby fight club.
What?
Okay.
She faces 41 years in prison.
Okay, not to be mean or anything, but I'm gonna need you to not. Because that's the kind of shit that's just gonna distract me and make me not even have a chance. Also, Canary Mary, I will break off those hair spikes and add them to your wings.
Oh, she looks like such a pleasant person, though.
I'm gonna have to come up with a lot of insults, aren't I?
Yep.
I'm also going to try and have none of them be at least expressly explicit. So there goes
That's
any of
good.
those.
Why can't they be explicit?
Because I don't feel like being that mean. Canary Mary, I'm gonna take a hammer and use it to fix that face of yours. Mostly to try and pull out the nails that are clearly in your face by your mouth area, because that is not how a normal mouth looks.
Witnesses testified that Jordan intentionally tripped children, stepped on their toes, encouraged them to fight each other, and sprayed them in the face with a hose.
Seriously, like I said, I'm gonna need you to not.
I thought I had a small window of time to say it.
I mean, you
Nope.
did, but still, I'm gonna need you to not. This is gonna
How
break
many
my
of these?
goddamn hand if I manage to actually do it, though. Oh god, how was I actually properly doing this the other day?
Cheating. You forgot your insult.
Canary Mary, I'm going to... What are those things you're wearing on your feet?
I think they're shoes.
I'm gonna break off these golden clogs that you're wearing.
They are
And
Kleenex boxes painted gold. Thank you very much.
and stick them on these golden gloves that are your hands. Her hands don't even move. Like, they don't move like hands do. It just looks like she's wearing golden mittens that are sticking her hands in place.
Her mouth.
Canary Mary, clearly you have many more issues than
Does
what
she
you
have
were accustomed
cleavage?
to.
I don't think so.
I do not believe so. Even if she did, I would not be attracted to a woman cosplaying as a bird in this manner. Nor do I think I would ever be attracted to a woman cosplaying as a bird. But that's just because that sort of thing does not turn me on.
What if it was a really sexy bird?
It still probably wouldn't work. Like I said, that sort of thing just doesn't turn me on. Canary Mary, I'm going to forcibly break all of your fingers out of that mitten-like state so that you can actually move your hands. That's not even an insult, Canary Mary. That's me helping you this time.
That's what the daycare teacher did.
Oh, God, Nathan.
And they were 1-year-old children, by
We
the
have
way.
a lot of lurkers watching then. It says there's 8 people watching, but I only see 4 people in the chat.
I mean, who knows?
It's awesome.
I actually got
I'm
beyond
the
the first bit for the first time in a while. Canary Mary, I will take off all of the feathers that make your wings and then reattach them using a staple gun. Clearly, they're here for the high quality insults that I provide.
Yes, yes. Very high quality insults.
They're also here to witness the pain. This is pretty much always the last Jiggy I get in this game, if I actually do get it.
No,
Just
we
because
all
so
know
often
why
I
now.
just can't be bothered to beat this motherfucking bird lady thing.
If it makes you feel any better, I'm taking my pants off right now.
Canary Mary, I will take
why?
Nathan's pants and stick them in your mouth as dentures.
Freedom, that's why, Tim. Well, Jesus would have wanted.
Jesus is very concerned about how much clothes people are wearing.
Everyone knows Jesus went Indian.
You missed so much, Tyler. You missed some of the best insults.
You missed a lot.
The real problem is Canary Mary gets so far away when you're going uphill. Especially in this one part, like, that I keep failing on, where she has to, like, actively fly out of her way. That counts as additional distance of her getting away from you, I think. Also, Canary Mary, I'm going to flip you around a bunch of times so that way I can say I'm flipping people the bird.
Kind of.
That wasn't so much an insult as it was a really shitty pun. But to be fair, the game just makes her into a really shitty pun by having her being trapped in the mine, so I don't feel bad about it. Fuck you, Canary Mary. Fuck you. And the bird that you rode in on, which is yourself, so fuck you twice.
You should try harder.
I did. That's why
Yeah?
I now have all of the jiggies.
Oh, you won! I'm just watching you win.
Yeah.
Look how pissed she is.
Yeah, she's so pissed that she's dancing around. All
Good
right.
job, Ben. It only took you 10 minutes.
Yeah, it did only take me 10-ish minutes. Which means I have another 20 to try for the Cheeto page. But this time, the course is backwards, because reasons.
Does that make it harder or something?
I think technically it actually is harder. Also, the course isn't backwards, the course is just different. Oh, I think I remember this. This isn't backwards, this is just asininely long, I think.
Oh, your finger's gonna hurt.
You're
Couldn't think of that
telling me.
word, yeah.
But at the very least, I won't have to come up with any more insults if I do this.
She's way behind you. And she's rubber
Stop
banding.
jinxing me!
Yeah, rubber banding is really kind of annoying.
Help. Make sure to breathe.
She's gonna get away from me. She's... How is she not too far away from me? Well, she's gonna win anyway, but... Maybe it'll let me... Nope. Nope. Didn't even get to finish. Oh god, Canary Mary, I'm gonna just jump on your head a bunch. I'm gonna jump on your head so much that you go through the ground here. And when you're through the ground, I will then use Bill Drill on your head to send you sailing back down to... Let's take a look and see what's underneath us right now. Ocean.
Hell.
Ocean. There isn't even a level underneath us, right? Oh no, I think that's maybe Pterodactyl Land underneath us? Yeah, I'll send you back to Pterodactyl Land. That'll sound great.
That's called hell.
I mean, to be fair, I remember Pterodactyl Land. Sometimes it does feel like hell. Also, yes, we would effectively be killing her.
I didn't think Pterodactyl Land was that bad, but okay.
Never said it was. Why am I using my thumb right now?
LOL, noob.
I forgot how to tap properly, apparently. No, I think she's just... I think part of the trick to this one is to not go so fast in the beginning, because she rubber bands to you. But on the other hand, fuck that noise. Because I'm pretty sure this is the same part last time where she overtook me. Oh,
Yeah.
my arm is
She always
unhappy.
does seem to, like, overtake you at the same point.
I mean, to be fair, this is only the second time I'm doing this race, so maybe I was just being shitty about the same time for both.
Could be, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was really bad. My finger just slipped off the button, and so I tried to use my thumb for a little bit again. No, well, that works. To be fair, if I don't get the Cheeto page, I'm not going to be that miffed about it. Because I know the code to put in to get that last cheat. And slight spoilers, that last cheat isn't even gameplay related. So it's not like I'd be missing out on anything for the final boss either. Also, Canary Mary, I'm just going to use Dragon Kazooie to... I said I'm going to use Dragon Kazooie to just breathe fire on you and turn you extra crispy. and then I will cut you up and serve you to all of my friends at a nice banquet.
What does the cheat do?
I'm not going to tell you,
Does
because
it turn all
hopefully
your
I'll get
enemies
it.
into Mary?
No, no.
Like 30 of them on screen.
To be fair, even if you were collecting the Cheeto pages in order, it's completely possible that this is not the last Cheeto page that you get. So, it's not like they're like the last cheat needs to be about Canary Mary. Why is Canary Mary going so slow? I'm purposely going slower this time so I can speed up. Oh, shoot.
Is she rubber? Okay, maybe she. No, they. Do they always rubber band? Is that always in this game?
For the Canary Mary, at least for these two races, yes.
Yeah. I just
It's
thought
just how
maybe
these races work.
starts off easy and then she kicks into overdrive.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, this race is also supposed to be partially an endurance race because this course is much, much longer. And, if you, I mean, I don't know if you were even there, Nathan, but if Tim and Tyler remember, back when we raced her in the mines, we literally went on the same track. Just back and forth.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Holy
I have no idea
fuck.
how you'd be able to do that.
Oh, my arm and wrist are going to be sore for days. But I
Oh my
fucking
gosh!
did it.
I can't believe you did it right at the end. Whew, good job.
Yes, it's your last possession, Canary Mary. Fuck you.
Put her down.
Too. You're going
We're
off
going
for
the way of
dinner?
the dodo.
Ew.
What?
Ew. No, Kazooie. No. 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 Even if her dinner actually sounded good, I would not face her in a third race. Oh man, the mouse card is just like flipped over. Alright, and that's the last Cheeto page in the game. Technically speaking, I think at this point it'd actually be quicker to die.